Good evening. I'm Chanel Vioca, title expert and owner of Wisdom and Authority Title Solutions. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you in advance for subscribing. Tonight, I will be continuing with the series Power of Attorneys and Auto Titles. And tonight, I will be talking about granting power of attorneys, how to complete power of attorneys, and things you want to avoid when it comes to completing your power of attorneys. So I want to start off by saying when you're granting POA, you do have the option of granting power of attorneys to one or multiple parties. With that being said, you never want to give POA to someone and their name is not on that physical document. DMV will not go by any type of verbal conversation, nor will they assume that you have a power of attorney from the person who is supposed to be granting the power of attorney. So you want to keep that in mind. If you're granting POA to one person or to multiple parties, all names must be on that POA. Also, if someone is obtaining a title on your behalf, you want to make sure that they or all parties have their IDs present as well, because DMV will ask for the ID, the name as it corresponds to that power of attorney in question. So keep those little tidbits in mind when you are granting power of attorney. When it comes to completing your POA, you want to take your time and review the power of attorney at hand that you have. All power of attorneys are different. There is not a one-size-fit-all power of attorney. Law firms use different templates. They create different POAs. DMV, they have different POAs as well. So take your time when you are completing the POA. I do have two examples before me tonight. This first one here is a secure Maryland power of attorney for Maryland auto dealers and their customers. So again, this is a secure power of attorney. This particular secure power of attorney does not have any notarization, which is good. It's going to be pretty straightforward. So the dealer and their customer will complete the areas on this POA as it pertains to their transaction. The most important part of the secure POA is going to be the odometer reading section in the middle. So be very careful when you're completing this when you're at the dealership, and they will also advise you accordingly. The next POA here is a specific power of attorney. This one here is one that we use in-house for our company and our clients. This particular POA is only for one vehicle. The middle section here is going to be granted to me and my team, and it has the different types of transactions that we can complete on behalf of our clients here, and our clients will complete the middle section accordingly with this POA. One other important piece of information with this POA is the fact that it has a notarization section at the bottom. So this POA here does require notarization, very important. So when you are completing the POAs, you want to pay close attention to the details on the POA, and you want to complete the right POA as it pertains to your POA needs and the transaction at hand. Two examples, two mistakes you want to not take a part of when it comes to completing your POA is the first one. When it comes to granting POA to a business, you want to grant POA to an individual or individuals within that business. And the reason is because a business is not a living being, okay? The individual or individuals are the ones that are able to sign or receive a POA for that business, not just a business alone. So if someone were granting power of attorney to my company, Wisdom and Authority Title Solutions, I'm Chanel, so I'm the agent, or one of my other team leaders, they could have POA because they're individuals as well, but not just Wisdom and Authority Title Solutions by itself. So be very important when you're granting POA to a business that you appoint an agent or agents within that company. Another example or mistake you want to avoid when you're completing power of attorney is to be sure that you complete the notarization section with the notary. Okay, now not all power of attorneys have notarization sections, but if you see a notarization section on that power of attorney, please make sure you complete that section. Again, with my POA here, there's a notarization section at the bottom. So if you were to complete this power of attorney and you leave the notarization section blank at the bottom, this POA will be null and void and your transaction at the DMV will be rejected. So keep that in mind. When you're completing POAs, I see the notarization section omitted frequently when we are receiving POAs from our clients. So please do not fall into that mistake trap. If you have any questions pertaining to completing or granting power of attorneys as it pertains to auto titles, or you have a power of attorney matter pertaining to an auto title, please visit us at wisdomandauthority.com or drop me a line below. Please check me out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Please click, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to hearing from you soon.